How to create an app password for your Gmail account. So first you will need to open up your Google Chrome browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then click on your profile logo and then click on manage your Google account. And now you should go to the security section and scroll down to two-step verification and make sure this is enabled. Now, once you have this is enabled, then you can create app passwords. So click on the search bar right here and then search for app passwords. And then click on app passwords. Now you would type your password again to sign into your account. And then you will be redirected to this page where you can enter the app name. So for example, Twitter. And then click on create. And it should give you this generated app password. Now you will need to copy this password and save it somewhere, because as soon as you click the done button at the bottom, this should go away and you shouldn't be able to see it again. And then you will need to go to the Google account settings in the application or the device that you're trying to set this up in, and then just replace your password with the 16-character password that is generated in this window. And once you're done, click the done button. You shouldn't need to remember or share this password. Just use it and then click on the done button. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.